Hi, welcome to this VIP class. My name is Falake, and in this lesson, you're going to learn how to build your email list. The first thing I learned when I started my digital marketing journey was the importance of having a mailing list. That has stuck, and it is still truth till today. Why do you need a mailing list? You need a mailing list simply for the fact that having your own mailing list is having your own database, your own assets on your own platform that you control. Because if you leave your followers on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, then one day you sign into your account and boom, it's gone. You don't want that, okay? You want to always have access to people who will buy from you, people who know you, a warm audience. And having your mailing list creates a sea of people that you can sell to over and over and over again, right? When you have new products, new services, new partnerships, new events, no matter what it is, anything you're doing in your business, they are there for you to share the information with, and then they buy from you. So how do you build your mailing list? On any social media platform that you're using, most times you want to create a free event or a challenge or a quiz or a free guide. You want to create a free opportunity that is value-packed, targeted to your right audience, i.e. the people that you have researched will be mostly interested in what you have to offer. And they will give you their names and email in return for your event or your product or service. So if you're in a service-based industry, you can offer a free consultation or a free guide to help them achieve something. It's always very good to do some market research to find out the 20 top questions asked by customers in your industry. Thank God for AI, you can just put that in and boom, you have your answer. And then you can create an opportunity, a product, a service, or an event to answer that question. Obviously, it's the most frequently asked question. So you have an audience who wants to know the answer. And then from there, you ask for their name and their email. And once they are in your database, you can sell to them all day. If you're just starting out, there are several free platforms available for you to use. Be sure to check their pricing details, okay? You have some that have a limit on your subscribers. You have some that have a limit on the number of emails you can send out. Depending on where you're at in your business, you pick the option that best suits your objective and best suits where you're at. I use MailerLite. You can check them out. It's very important that when you are sharing content about your free offer or event, you want to make sure that you are telling people at the end to download or to sign up for. You want to make sure that that call to action is clear. And let me say it a few times in different ways. Use buttons, use the actual words, use the link, use emojis, use as many attention-grabbing imagery that you can find. Because don't assume that because people want something, then they will automatically say yes to it. No, because people would rather just flex and chill and have fun than actually do the things that they know they need to do for their elevation. So you have to put some work into it to grabbing that attention. And the key here is that when you're building your mailing list, it's a never-ending process. So don't think that it's something that, you do in January and then you do it later at the end of the year. No, it's something that you're doing all the time, right? You are always building your mailing list. You're always asking people to subscribe. You're always asking people to take action. You're always asking people to do something at the end of all your content online. That is very important, okay? So I'm sure this helps. Remember, it's very important that you choose the right platform to create this process of building your mailing list. Choose the right email marketing software for you and the phase that you're at in your business. And it's up to you to decide if you want it to be a webinar. If you're not comfortable or confident in video yet, then having a PDF, a guide, something that they can download, that works pretty well. And with AI, you can easily ask the thing to create the content and design the content. Boom, you're done. So I'm sure this helps. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below somewhere, and you can download the CEO's Briefcase. I've created these guides to help you create and market your digital products. I'll see you in the next video.